Do you really want to understand Forex market in less than 9 minutes? Kindly watch this video and see how smart traders, or rather profitable traders, execute their trades. I know you can basically ask yourself, is this market going to basically buy or sell? I know that the question that you really have. Remember, when you look at past data, you will see the market was aggressively proceeding to the downside. So you're supposed to ask yourself, is this a continuation, or rather, is this a pullback, or rather, is this a reversal? That's what you're supposed to know. And the first thing that I do, I draw my structure levels. I don't know how you draw your structure levels, but basically I'm going to draw mine right here real quick because they're very, very important. I'm going to use these levels to guide me whether I am going to execute my trades. These levels are very, very important. How do you draw yours? And basically, guys, as you can see right here as well, we expect something we call liquidity sweep right here. Why? We're being cheated that the market is definitely going to proceed. This live candlestick pattern is trying to break to the downside. Okay, so once you see a liquidity sweep right here, it is a plus confirmation that the market has a probability of proceeding to the downside. So another thing that can make me really believe the market is proceeding to the downside is the size of this candlestick pattern over here. And as well, another thing that will lead me to look for my selling opportunity is when I see price did not at any given point as well break this level over here. You can see it is definitely trying to reverse. So these levels that I've drawn right here, they guide me to execute my trade, or rather they will guide me to exit my trade. So I'm trying to say, guys, I'm going to look for my selling opportunity because I've seen there was liquidity sweep right here. So many people who are actually buying, they are actually being trapped right here because price basically closed below, or rather this candlestick is actually breaking below this, heading to break this. So guys, I'm going to see how this market is going to play, and basically I want you to keep it here so that we can see the results of this trade. I just wanna make this video very, very short. I'm an aggressive trader. When I see this kind of rejection, basically I'm going to execute my sell order. So guys, I'm doing this so that we can see how the market can really move if it happens to sell. As well, I'm going to put my stop loss right at this level over here, above this high here, so that will be a bit safe for me because there is a probability the market can actually move to this high as well and do something we call inducement or manipulation. My stop loss is basically above right here. I am a bit safe. Okay, I just want us to see how the market is basically going to actually move right here. Yes, you can see. So guys, up to this point, you can see this candlestick pattern close below my level over here. Let me tell you, you can be aggressive making money. Imagine executing your trades right here. Price tried to break to the downside, then it has been rejected, proceeding up to our lower line over here. So if you are a scalper, before we even break this level over here, you can exit your trade if you are a scalper and you don't want to hold your position for long. So because we want to see whether price will break this low over here, we really have to be patient and see where this live candlestick pattern is basically going to take us. And so guys, let's see what is basically going to happen again. Now we have that candlestick pattern that is basically reacting to our low. Yes, we have that breaking below. You have to be very careful. And definitely, there we go. Price has already broken below the low. And definitely, the market is indeed to the downside. This is why you can easily make money if you know what you're doing. And you can see, guys, price moved. It came to up to this point. we had a retest, but basically if you're wise as well, you can look for your selling opportunity because price was unable to break this level over here. Once you see it breaking the structure level that you've drawn, don't hesitate, execute your sell order, and you could have definitely made pretty good amount of money. And you can see on live market as well, price reacting to these structure lines. They're very, very important. They guide us on when to exit our trades and to enter our trades. And basically you can be able to make a lot of money when you understand these structure levels. I don't know how you draw it, I don't know how you know it, but these are very, very important level that you can basically pay attention to whenever you want to execute your trades. As simple as that, guys. You can see how you can make money. Imagine entering your trade right at this level over here up to this level here. You could have made you over 200 pips. Don't joke with this movement over here. If you bought right here, you could have made losses after losses after losses. Okay, so guys, that's what I wanted to show you. It is basically as easy as that. This strategy, you don't need any indicator. It's only the pure knowledge you have, and you're basically going to make money. Remember, watch at the trend of the market. If you want to look for continuation, you have to draw your structure level that will help you understand the type of a market you have. Because we were trending, then the market moved to a ranging market. I drew my structure level. I waited for liquidity sweep, basically paying attention on structure levels where they're broken above or below, and they guided me to execute my trades. That is basically how I make my money trading. Let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. And so guys, what do I say? Bye bye. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Listen traders, before you make any big mistake, like paying for that expensive course, try reading this book first. This is basically what you are going to be taught by your mentor. In fact, not even everything. If you are a beginner and you have learnt only basics, don't dare funding your Forex account because you will not like the results. This book will introduce you to another side of Forex trading because you cannot like forever buy at support and sell at resistance. This book comprises of everything you need to know about smart money concepts and price action, and everything is explained simply. Grab your copy at $10 only and it will save you from a lot rather than paying for now. If you want to kick off your Forex journey, WhatsApp this number to order your copy. First come, first serve.